Thank you, Vic. All right, I just want to close up the day by letting you know, first of all, that there's been a lot of PowerPoints. They will be going up on the OCEPP website probably next week. The link to those PowerPoints will be sent out in a there'll be an email going out to all the participants with a survey about the about this session to get your feedback to help us plan more of these sessions. Also, if you want to see all the speakers again, there'll be a video recording of this session up on the OCEPP YouTube channel. And finally, if you would like to continue the dialogues with OCEPP, please join our Facebook or LinkedIn groups so that you can keep up to date on what we're doing and maybe engage in some dialogue with OCEPP Board of Advisors and staff so that we can see what your ideas are, what you'd like us to discuss, any feedback you might have on these sessions, or any issues that you'd want us to bring up in further sessions. I'd like to thank our speakers for today. We had some amazing sessions. I'd also like to thank our board of our advisory board, Brian Surgener, David Euler, Ken Klupp, Gary Thompson, Bill DeAngelis, Serena Min, Desmond Gomez, Leslie Herstein, and Dan Elika. These are the people who help us plan what OCEPP is going to get involved in. Because they come from such a diversity of occupations, engineering and otherwise, some of the advisors are non-engineers. They help to bring ideas to OCEPP so that we get a pulse of what people are thinking and what kind of issues we should consider. And finally, we must thank Catherine Shearer-Cadell. Catherine is the workhorse for OCEPP. Catherine finds people, cajoles them into being speakers, arranges for what they're going to consider and talk about, puts together all the logistics of this meeting and all our other meetings throughout the year and our journal and everything else. So a great round of applause for Catherine. And finally, I'd like to thank you. This has been a very interactive session. That's what I'm hoping for in these sessions that we put together with OCEPP. I'd like to see the feedback, the questions. I think that's how we learn. That's how we develop the kind of ideas we have on these issues. And so thank you all very much for your attendance and for contributing to the session today. And I hope you consider coming back to next year's session or to some of our seminars that we have. As I said, we have some lunchtime seminars that we put on a couple of times, 2 or 3 times a year. And we'll probably have one in the fall. It'll probably be on Duty to Report. We have some other ideas, the Internet of Things, and some other ideas that are kicking around. And we have another board meeting in a couple of weeks, and we'll probably get a dozen more ideas. So please keep an eye out for those sessions, and I hope you consider attending those. Thank you very much.